Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to fix Face ID setting grayed out on iPhone after iOS 26 update. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, tap on Wi-Fi and check your internet connection working properly. After this, go back and tap on General, tap on Software Update and check if any update is available. First of all, update this. After this, go back, scroll down and you can see option here, time and date, and always turn on this. After this, go back and restart your mobile phone. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open setting again, scroll down and you can see option here, screen time, tap on it. After this, scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction and turn off this. After this, go back, tap on Face ID and passcode. Here, enter your passcode. After this, scroll down and you can see option here, reset Face ID. After this, restart your mobile phone and join again your Face ID. Hopefully your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.